Yes, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Original Living Plus. You know, it's been a while since I post a video on this channel, but I've been busy over the last month. A lot of work, but I get a little early morning time to do some spear fishing. So Jamaican sound system for those videos. You guys are supposed to know that already, but get about 40 minutes, come up by the countryside, and get about 40 minutes so we can go in the bush. I'm not go far, just I'll go around the area a little bit and see what I can see. Starting to hear a lot of birds already, see a couple as well, so I will take a little hike. It's after 3 now, so the sun is kind of harsh, but it's the only time I have right now. So I'll go make a little hike and see what I can see on the trail, you know. So chat along, guys. So here is the equipment that I'm gonna be using. I have this like a tripod here, one of my regular tripod, this one. I have this for quite some time. And camera up there, mounting with a mic on it. And I'm just vlogging with a GoPro this time, nothing special. So we'll see what takes place now. So I reach at a nice little area. So doing a little waiting right here now. Do a little small wait. Just saw a nice grass squid, but didn't get to capture it. Flew away before I get to set up the camera. It's a promising spot. Just here a woodpecker. Can see the tree from here. See a hole in it as well. So I'm gonna wait here for some time and see what I can capture. It's been a while since coming to the bush, in the woods. So not enough time, as I said before. Hopefully I can capture something to share with you guys, because I'm already seeing a lot of birds, but none come in close enough, or no good visual with any. So I'm just waiting here. At the same location, trying to capture some small squids, but no luck so far. The brush is too thick, so it's hard to get focus. So anytime soon I'm gonna head a little more down the trail, because I'm in a quarry area now, a whole quarry. So just walk away from the next spot and heading down a little bit. Came across here now. I'm gonna stop here for a little time again, just to see. Didn't capture anything, only a shadow of a little squid. So I'm gonna test right here now to see what I can see here. So look better than the last area. So a lot of birds seems to be passing through here. Saw a lovely bird now. 1 second. So keep moving on, keep moving on. Coming from this wonderful area here. A lot of bamboo. It's a road that we used to walk to go to river, but river is still down there, but I don't think I'll be reaching that far. But this area, very cool and lovely. It's a little bit dark now. Hopefully you guys can see here, because the trees block out the whole of the light. Come on. Hearing a lot of birds, seeing a lot, but can't capture any as yet. None is ain't coming out into the open. But the afternoon hike, I'm enjoying it so far. I'm gonna try to take whatever spare time I get to do some bird photographs. Guys. So I'm gonna be a little bit quiet now as I'm coming up on the next area. So I'm gonna try to see if I can see something there. So finally capture something. A lovely hummingbird just resting in a tree here right in front of me. He's still there. I capture about 40 seconds of it. So the first good capture. It's necessarily not a very good capture because he's turned his back to me. So I'm just here. Hopefully he will turn around, or she will turn around, because it's a female. It's not a male hummingbird. So I'm gonna wait a couple minutes to see if he will turn around. If not, I'll just move on. The hummingbird left, just flew away. So I'm gonna head a little more down the trail now, just to see if I can capture anything else, because my time is almost up. Just come across a flycatcher. Lovely bird. Get a nice shot on it on a tree. And the exposure wasn't that great because it was dead. The background was the overcast sky. Won't get a good picture with the overcast sky, but nevertheless, get a nice 40-minute clips. And so in the last half year, the hike is paying off. Saw one more down there now, but it's a little far. So I'm gonna see if I could catch a far shot and probably get a little bit closer. Don't know if you guys can see that, but he's right down there on the branch. Flow come a little bit lower now. You see, a little lower. Now I'm watching two small birds. Don't know if it's banana squid or maybe blue squid. Not sure because there's way over there in this. Don't sure of the name of this tree, but I know it's a feeding tree as well. But they're over there. I'm gonna do a little crop on them when I'm editing this video. So hopefully the image is good enough. See two parrots as well. I'm gonna try to capture them. You can hear them in the background. One of the parrot just took a dive down, but I'm behind a little mall here right now. Can't see where he went, but I'm gonna watch this one. One is there now. I'm gonna watch him and see if he's gonna head down and then I sneak up and get maybe a closer shot. Seeing some feeding trees on the next side of this hill. So they both flew that way. I'm gonna just look to see what was happening down there. Oh, nothing much. Must be some feeding tree. There's a lot of small bird down there though. A lot of small bird down that side. See if you guys can see down there, but yeah, this small bank right here, and that's my camera set up right there, so I cannot get a clean shot down there, but a lot of small bird down there. It must be feeding. Must be some tree down there. I guess it's the same tree there. I'm not sure of the name of these trees, but they seems to have a lot of birds. So, as I said, time is against me. I'm gonna make a next walk, and then after this walk, yeah, I'm gonna wrap up the video. So I'm gonna head down the trail a little bit, as I'm coming from up there. I'm gonna head down there a little bit now, and then after this, wrap up the video, right? This is a banana sweet nest. Seems no one is home. Or probably the chicks probably flew out already. I'm gonna check inside as well. Guys, just reached the next spot, and as I reach here, saw a lovely banana kitty. Lovely bird. Lovely bird, guys. Got two shots of it. Sit on a branch with a insect in his mouth, and then he eat the insect and move on to search for more food. I get a next shot. It was a little bit out of focus because the handle that I have to hold the tripod in, I couldn't get to manual focus, because when you're doing these type of videos, most of the time you have to be manual focusing because of the brushes and the branch and the tree limbs. Sometimes the birds are behind the tree limbs, and the camera always tend to focus on the first things that in front of the lens when you are using autofocus. So the best is manual focus. I saw it's a flycatcher, but a different species. It's way down there. Gone up back into the canopy. Let's see. It's still down there, but it is up in the tree there. Yes guys, so didn't get to capture the banana kitty good. I'm gonna try to capture this bird, and then if I succeed in doing it, I will surely share it with you guys. So guys, I'm gonna try to force a little bit more video on this channel. I'm gonna try to do some more video. And as I said, the time is very limited at this time now. So I'm gonna split up some of my spearfishing time and use some of the time to do some bird watching. And why the spearfishing is very important to me, because the spearfishing I'm actually looking food. So whenever I got the time, I always go spearfishing most of the time. I always rather to go spearfishing. But I'm gonna take a little time out of that time and see if I can do some bird watching as well. Yeah, this is just my hobby. I always want to do bird watching from a longer time. So guys, remember, if you're new to this channel, please consider and subscribing to the channel and do welcome. Okay, so anything at all, the comment section is there. Leave your comments, leave your like if you wish to, and I do see you in the next one. All right.